lovely intro. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Tyler. You can check out me at TylerAcademy.com, and I'm also on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram if you want to check me out there. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube. Enough promoting yourself. Learn some math. Okay, here we go. All right, so it says a student needs an average of at least 80 on 4 tests to earn a grade of B in algebra. The student has grades of 78, 91, and 75 on the first 3 tests. What is the lowest grade the student can make on the 4th test and still receive a B in the algebra class? Okay, this is just a simple average equation, which to find the average of something, you add up everything and then divide it by however many there are. How many there are. That's very, see, draw a picture of that. That's really beautifully handwritten. Okay, so we'll just do this. We got 78, check, plus 91, check, plus 75, check. Now, they said the student needs average of at least an 80 on 4 tests. Okay, so for that 4th one, we don't know. That's what we're trying to find out, so we'll put that as x. All right, now we're wanting to divide that by how many there are. How many of these are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you divide it by 4, which they also set it up here. And then we want it to equal an 80 or higher, correct? Now, we know it needs to be at least an 80, so we could, if we wanted, we could say it's, to be officially correct, we could say that whatever it is over here needs to be, make it a greater, so you put a greater than or less than, but that's just dumb and adds extra complications, so I don't like to do it. So, let's, first off, combine like terms to simplify this thing. Alright, so when we add all those up, that equals 244 plus, oh, that's not a plus sign, calm down, Tyler, plus x divided by 4 equals 80. Now, that wasn't really our first step to solve this, it just kind of makes it easier and the problem's less intimidating. So, our next step is to get rid of whatever is furthest away from the x, which they're both in distance-wise, and the problem, 244 and 4 are both close, but think of it as like you're in a hotel. These are on the same level, like the same, they're on the 2nd floor, and the 4 is on the 1st floor. So if you were like going to get into like a punch fight, these two would be closer to each other. So therefore we got to get rid of that 4 first. What's the opposite of dividing by 4? That's correct, multiplying by 4. So we multiply both sides by 4. And that would give us, this is the only thing left on that side, because that cancels out. And then we just do 80 times 4, which is 320. All right, last step, get rid of the 244, so we subtract 244 from both sides. That goes away. X would equal the grand total of 76. Okay, now let's make sure our problem. We always reread our problem after we get an answer. A student needs an average of at least an 80 on 4 tests to earn a grade of B in algebra. Okay, at least an 80. Would this give it 80? Exactly. So it includes 80, at least an 80. Therefore, 76 is our answer. D-unit. That's not what they're called. Just do the outro. Okay.
Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out TarverAcademy.com.
Okay, we'll try to. If you get a chance, please check out TarverAcademy.com. Check me out on the Instagram if you could. I'm also on Twitter. If you need to hit me up with any questions, I'll try to help you. And then I'm also on that Facebook action that's Tyler Tarver is okay, which is facebook.com/Tyler'sOK. If you want, you can go to my website, it's tylertarver.com. And if you could really just, I mean, if you don't do anything, please just at least subscribe. That'd just be really sweet of you. Hope you have a great day. Toodles. Bye-bye.